To add Samsung keyboard text shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap General Management. Tap Language and Input. Tap On Screen Keyboard. Tap Samsung Keyboard. Tap Smart Typing. Tap Text Shortcuts. Tap Add. Enter shortcut and expanded phrase you want. Tap Add. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.